nga, iniisip ko eh. Actually po, yung siguro yung iniisip ko na akala ko I'm the one that got away. Yun yung in the process na ginagawa ko po ngayon. I mean, it's gonna be, a big risk for me because, people are so, used to seeing me sing all the ballad songs and I'm in the process of changing my genre. So, in the process, pero syempre, obviously, I'm not totally abandoning what I've started. I'm still, doing all the songs that, especially Filipinos na nagustuhan sa akin. So, yun siguro, mahirap. Pero ayokong maging the one that got away.
Eric, singing champion, par excellence. Ako po, actually I'm living my dream. Siguro ang gusto ko na mangyari is kung paano sustain whatever I have right now. Kasi, especially, given the platform of the music industry nowadays, medyo, artists come and go. Pero ang pinakamahirap sa amin talaga is kung paano mo ma-maintain yung status mo. So ako, yun lang po.